If you're looking for a nicely updated, good size home in North Redondo, then you have come to the right place. This 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, over 2,200 square foot home is available for lease. So lease price is $58.50, and we're going to do a walkthrough tour today. But I just wanted to start out here out front. You can see good size home. We are in an area in North Redondo, and it's fairly common in the area. What you're going to find is a lot of homes are called tall and skinny. So as you can see from this one, it's tall and skinny. So you have lots that in the past used to be half of a bigger lot. And what a lot of developers did is they came through the area and they split these lots up, and they put one tall, long home on a majority of the lot, and you get the driveway in the front and typically some yard space still in the back, 2 stories, so you maximize the size of the lot. So it's very common what you're going to see. And you can look down the street. Nice wide streets here. We are at 1711 Rockefeller, and it's just about a half block from Aviation. So don't really get a lot of noise, a lot of street noise. So it's a nice house. It's got nice windows and doors. Definitely don't hear basically anything inside. But you can see, but it's convenient. You're not deep inside the neighborhood where it takes a little while to get out. A bunch of little small streets you're winding through. So that's where we are here. It gives you a little sense of what it's like. We are in an area. I'll give you a little more information about the general area. Stay around till the end. We're going to take a walk through now, but then at the end, I'm going to zoom out and we're going to take a little look at the area and some of the things that are nearby. So enjoy the tour and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. This is Ben Larson with the Larson Real Estate Group.
Okay, so now let's go inside and take a look. You can see nice big wooden entry door, glass design. Look to your right up the stairs. We got the stairs going up, 4 bedrooms up, living space down. We've got a nice hall bath here as you walk in, powder room, half bath for your guests. Opens up, then you can come out into the main area. Nice little coat closet here with some extra storage. A bit of storage is always good. All right, now let's go into the home itself. Got the stairs again going up to the bedrooms. Got a big living area, great room. You can see the kitchen here, good sized kitchen, eating counter here, breakfast counter. Opens up to, you've got all these windows on this side of the home. It's the west side of the home. Big living space. We call it a big great room. You can set up your dining in there, set up the living. Everything is open from the kitchen to the dining to the living. And then you've got the nice sliding door here, which goes out. You've got a little doggy door already built in if you have a dog. Then you can go on outside. Nice backyard. It's all artificial turf, good sized patio. Obviously room for a barbecue. You got a little gate that goes out to the side. So good space. You get some good light in here. There's trees still providing some nice shade. Lots of privacy from the neighbors. Fencing all around. You've got some room down the side of the house. If you wanted to do any small little dog run or something back there. Your space, you can see the gutters coming down. Lots you can do here with the yard. You've got the patio. It's very low maintenance, which is always good. Room over here, out the gate. The neighbors are there as well, but you still have a good amount of privacy. You can see down that side of the house if you wanted to come in. If you've got landscapers, anyone, if you're having people come over, they could come straight to the backyard if you need to. But anyway, yeah, any outdoor space we can get is really good these days. So now let's go back inside and take a look a little bit more. Okay, back into the living room. You can see it opens all the way into the kitchen. You can picture how you'll have it set up. Nice big fireplace there, gas fireplace. You've got it's nice decorative. You've got the stone tile surround, nice mantle. We've got some space there. You can set up probably your entertainment area. Again, this tile floors here for the dining area. You set that up however you'd like. A little breakfast bar as we go into the kitchen. Kitchen's got hardwood cabinets, stone counters. You've got a really good sized pantry here with lots of shelving. Got lighting built in inside. Plenty of shelves for all those items you're going to store in the kitchen, everything you want to get to. Stainless steel appliances, You've got the cooktop, hood, dishwasher, the lower microwave built in the shelving, dual ovens. So that's always nice when you're doing lots of cooking. You got the stone backsplash there with the granite counters. It opens up into the nice sized garage with good storage up above. You got a tankless water heater. There's even a EV charger for an electric vehicle. So let's go back inside, take a look at the kitchen. Back through the kitchen, here we are. You see how it opens up into the great room. We can go see that way. And then now we're going to head upstairs and check out the bedrooms. All right, so up here we have 4 bedrooms. You have a laundry room as well. We've got a full bathroom and then another full primary suite bathroom. So head up the stairs. The first door you see there, that is going to be the laundry room, the one that's closed. Now it's open, and we've got stored a little bit of stuff in there for now, but you know, plenty of room, good sized washer and dryer. You've got shelving, there's room for some storage, good space inside here. So now we can go check out the next room. You can see, 2 windows, lets in lots of good natural light. Everywhere upstairs, we're going to have vaulted ceilings, mirrored closet doors in this one. You've got carpet that's been freshly cleaned, good condition. Windows have been updated. Get a nice view out to the backyard this way. So you can see in these upstairs, sometimes in this area, you'll have houses on each side that are pretty tall, block your view. We don't get that as much here. So it's nice that we don't, and you get a little more sunshine. All right, let's head back out into the hallway, and we are going to move along into the next bedroom. And you'll see this one is going to be very similar to the last one. I'll turn on some lights here, brighten it up a little bit, even though do still have a nice good sized window. We don't have the 2 windows that we had in the other room, but nice good sized window again. No neighbor blocking your sunshine or your view or even your breeze out this window here. So that's always nice. You've got the closet, very similar to the other one, mirrored closet doors. Let's head back into the hallway. We're going to head over to the bathroom. So you've got stone counters, wood cabinets. You've got a tub and shower, tile shower surround, tile floors. And now we're heading back out into the hallway to check out the final of the additional rooms. This is the third room, other than the primary suite, which we'll get to next. This one's a little bit bigger than the last 2 we looked at. You got good natural light. Carpet's been cleaned. Nice dual pane windows. Still got a nice sunny view. Mirrored cabinet doors, good sized closets, and nice paint. Crown molding throughout these, nice baseboards. Now we're going to head into the primary suite, which has the bedroom, walk-in closet, and nice sized primary bathroom. So heading down the hallway, initially you see the sliding doors that take you into good size closet, walk-in closet, lots of shelving, lots of racks to hang your clothes. You can see there's a good amount of light in here. There's a lot of natural light because there is, we've got a skylight in here, lighting it up without even having to turn the light on. So all this great space, nice, hard, solid doors. You do have a light. You can see the skylight up there. Vaulted ceilings, makes it nice and bright and airy. So good closet to walk into in the morning and get ready for the day. So now we're going into the primary suite. Good size. You have, of course, vaulted ceilings again. Nice sliding door out to the balcony. You can see the updated floors. Got the vinyl plank flooring, some lighting, and a ceiling fan with a vaulted ceiling. It can be tricky to get lighting, so it's nice having that there um, on the ceiling. And now we're going into the primary bathroom. You can see here, we've got jacuzzi tub, separate shower, dual sinks, tile surrounds on the shower and the jacuzzi tub, tile floors, very updated. And that's going to be it for the house. We are going to go take a look at the area. Now we're going to zoom in and we're going to take a look at some of the different highlights of the area here around North Redondo.
One of the highlights that a lot of people are interested in, a big focus is always schools. So we're going to show you some of the schools in the areas. There's a number of different schools, so we're going to show you which ones are assigned to this property. You can go do your own research. I don't want to determine what's good or what's bad school-wise for someone. It's up to your interpretation, so definitely recommend going and doing that research. Okay, so we can see here's the home right here. And then we've got some water tanks here on the right, if you're curious about what those are. And then, so let's go take a look at the elementary school. So all you have to do, if you go to this site, you can look it up yourself. But I'll zoom out a little bit to show you. But when you click on this over here, Bernie is the local elementary school, the assigned one. So you just click on that. It's going to take us right. You can see we're just going a few blocks away here. If we zoom out a little bit, and you can see house is right here, elementary school is right there. So not too far from the elementary school. It's always a nice bonus. You're not crossing any major streets. Aviation is here on the left. That is a very busy street. Grant here is also a pretty busy street. You're not crossing either one of those to get to this. So that'll give you a sense where that is. So let's zoom out a little bit more. We're going to get this off of here. Click on Adams Middle School. So this is the middle school. Let's see where that is from here. All right, so zoom out a little bit more. So got Adams down here a little ways. So definitely, obviously it's not as close as the elementary school. We got Bernie Elementary is up here. You are crossing Grant, which is fairly busy. And you're a number of blocks away from the home. So just gives you a sense of where it is though. Now, so we're going to zoom out a little bit more. And then we have, you've got the home up here, kind of in the middle, top left. Elementary school's there in the middle towards the top, and then on the right here in the middle of the screen is Adams Middle School. So then where do we go from there? So from there, we're going to check out where the high school is. Go out a little bit more. So Redondo Beach is split into North Redondo and South Redondo, but there's only one high school. So you can see here, the high school is located in South Redondo. This street here, Redondo and 190th, basically cuts off North and South Redondo. So you'll be up here towards the top, the Rockefeller address. Then you'll have to travel down, and Redondo Union High School is down here in South Redondo. So just kind of gives you a sense of where the schools are. Obviously, you can see this is the beach here on the left. We've got North Redondo is surrounded. You hear Redondo Beach. It's actually North Redondo is not on the beach. South Redondo is. So you've got Hermosa between North Redondo and the beach, but you can see you're pretty close. So you got Manhattan Beach up to the north. Really key advantage to North Redondo is it's very close to the freeway. So you got the 405 freeway right here, really close by. So Aviation Boulevard, close to you, like I said earlier, you can hop on that. That takes you up north out of the South Bay. So we zoom out. If you're not familiar, I'll get these things out of the way here. We've got the South Bay that you're looking at. That's where we're located here along the coast. LAX is just north of here a little bit. You got downtown. If you head up the 110, you're going to hit downtown. North of here of the LAX, you got Venice, Santa Monica, things like that. You head down the 405 this way, you're going to hit Long Beach, and then you're going to continue down into Orange County. So it's actually really nicely located, just this whole area, the South Bay. It's in between LAX, Orange County, not far from downtown. Really good location overall. So that gives you a sense, you've seen the property, you've gotten a little perspective on the area. Hopefully that's been helpful. If you have any questions about this or anything else, or you want to search homes or curious what your home may be worth, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, this is with the Larson Real Estate Group. And stay tuned, subscribe, turn on notifications so that when I put out more of these, you will be notified and you're going to be able to see what the next listing is that I'm going to talk about. We talk about homes and income property as well. If you have any interest in investment property, we analyze them, we walk through, we do different things to give you just an idea of what different properties are going for. So have a great day and hope to see you again.